Man, I ain't feel like doing this shit. You know what I'm saying? I ain't feel like giving no update because ain't really no motion. There's a couple little things on the pot, but ain't a lot of progress. You know what I'm saying? A lot of hope. You gotta hey, when you working on changing your life, the biggest thing that you got working in your favor is a bunch of hope and optimism that, you know, everything's gonna work out. Everything gonna be everything. You know what I'm saying? I'm in a parking lot right now. There ain't no look. You know what I'm saying? I'll show y'all. It's crazy. Trying to mix and merge and get the food right for the kids, right?
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing. We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
But then, like, let me get the video out the way. I'm in a section where it say, it's popping. It's supposed to be popping where I'm at. You know what I'm saying? Man, all them yellow and reds. Bro, in the last hour, I done got offered 2 orders. One for $9, one for $4. Man, come on, man. You know what I'm saying? And then, right, I done showed y'all, I'll take the 4, boy, if I could pick it up, drop it off in like 5-8 minutes. You know what I'm saying? I do it. Bop, bop, bop. 5, 8, boom, boom, boom. 4, bop, 5, 8, boom, boom, boom. 8, 5, 8, boom, boom, boom. 12. No, they ain't even gonna let me run it up like that. They like, you know what I'm saying? You gotta go 7,000 miles down the road. Uh-oh, look like the food ready. I'll holler. All right, I gotta, man, as soon as I let y'all ride, then I got one. But now I'm at this damn apartment building where I don't know how to get in. You know what I'm saying? So they want me to, yeah, no, you don't get in right there. Man, I think I got going from the back of the back street. You hear me? Man, for the, you know what I'm saying? And this is what I'm saying, for the hot couple dollars, bro. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, no can do. You know what I'm talking about? No can look. And then the Uber gonna send me a message talking about the person said, meet at door. I can't find your parking lot, bitch. I can't, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not, I'm sorry. Lady, I can't find your house. You know what I'm saying? That's better. I can't find where you live at. So, what you want me to do with that? You know what I'm saying? Where you want me to go with that? Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to eat your food. That's what you're going. You know what I'm talking about? It's gonna be hot fish for me. You know what I'm talking? All right, man. You know what I'm saying? I'll talk to y'all, man.
12 seconds later.
Shannon, what's good, buddy? Already. Gotta go. Got the order off. I ended up with a hot $3 and something before the tip. And now we gotta get the food and you know what I'm saying? Get back home and get right. This is what I want y'all to remember. You know what I'm saying? It ain't over until it's over. I don't give a damn where you start. It ain't about where you start, it's about where you finish, yeah. All right, man, so look, it's another day. You know what I'm saying? Another day, another dollar. So we got a couple. I don't got no time right now, right? Because we got to go straight into the night routine, man. We had an extended little period, so I don't got no time right now to even turn the Uber boy back on. But if y'all see, so based on what we had, you know what I'm saying, a little motion we had earlier is $20.79. Now, pin this, yesterday, we drove all around. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Look, recorded the video for you guys and everything, man. Did that one order, couldn't find dog's thing. I think the order was like a $6, something like that. Anyways, he ended up giving me like a $1 tip on top of the little tip that they pre-programmed. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate my man. You know what I'm saying? He was looking out for us. But no, it was, you know what I'm saying? It was ugly. So that's what this life update is. On the next one, I'm about to tell you guys a couple of the little things that I'm excited about, man, because we're working on something. So I'll see y'all on the next one.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing. We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.